Hello, my name is Megan Truewick. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, I want to discuss one of the reasons that many of the people come in front of me. They want to avoid probate. And I can understand it. You want to save your family time, money, and hassle. There's nothing wrong with that. Probate court, the proceeding is all about transferring the property out of the deceased person's name into the names of the ones that that person wants to inherit their property. However, this process can be long, costly, and confusing. And so it's admirable that you want to save your family members that time. One of the great ways of doing that is by setting up a living trust. In Texas, you can put almost anything in a living trust. Houses, cars, bank accounts, you name it. You can even put life insurance in a trust. And therefore, once all that is done, the property is then controlled by the terms of the trust. And on your death, the successor trustee comes in and manages the assets for the benefit of your beneficiaries. Another way is joint ownership. If you own property jointly with someone else, and this property includes the right of survivorship, when one person dies, the other person automatically takes title. Sometimes you do have to do some paperwork in order to transfer the property into that sole person's name, but for the most part, this is done automatically. There are different types of survivorship. There's the joint tenancy where you own it with someone else and it automatically passes. There's a rule that you, however, have to surpass that person by 120 hours. But beyond that, you can transfer real estate, vehicles, bank accounts, you name it, to that person without the need for probate. In Texas, we also do have survivorship community property, where you have married individuals sign an agreement for property, and this avoids probate, where if one spouse dies, then the next spouse becomes the sole owner. We also have payable on death designations for different things. We have it for bank accounts. You can add this on your bank account where you list your beneficiary. Therefore, when you pass away, your beneficiary takes that account. No need for probate. At your death, it automatically and directly goes to the person that you have designated. We also have transfer on death deeds. You may have heard them, TOD deeds. With those, you transfer you draft the which which transfers the property on your death. While you're alive, it is still yours. You can revoke it, you can sell it, you can mortgage it. That person that you've designated on your TOD deed doesn't have any right to the property. However, once you pass, they get the property in their name. It's kind of like a ladybird deed. You may have heard about that. And it's the same thing. You're transferring the property at your death, but while you're alive, the property is in your name. You can do whatever you would have done with it. No probate court, no probate proceeding necessary. There are other simplified probate procedures that you can employ. Even if you don't have any planning in the world, when it comes to drafting a will, there's some things that you can do tangible to avoid probate. But by all means, I say estate planning is the way to show your loved ones that you love them. Nothing is more loving than having an estate plan, which tells your loved ones what you want to have happen to the assets, what you want to have happen to you in case you become incapacitated. It's a loving way to show everyone in your life that you care. My name again, Megan Truewick. Thank you for watching. You can see more videos like this at www.brianfagan.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.